Hello guys, I'm Vishal from Group 19 and today I'll be presenting our major group project which is a regenerative braking setup especially made for an FE cycle. So these are all the components which are mounted on this setup. This is the dynamo gearbox which is used to multiply the shaft input. This is a 30-inch axle and these are 20-inch wheels set on it. Then the whole frame is a 1-inch square tube frame. And there's this board to mount our all other components. This is a brake pedal. This is a light. This is a two-way switch. Either we can switch it to light or we can switch it to the multimeter. Then this is a step-down transformer. This is a diode, and this is a 12-volt motor which has an RPM of 400 RPM.
Hello everyone, my name is Ojas Bansal and I will be explaining the description of the project. So basically, when we turn on the power is supplied through the step-down transformer and then to the diode, which converts it from AC to DC. The power is then transferred to the motor, which gives its power to the axle and rotates the axle. Once we press the brake pedal, the electromagnetic clutch engages on the sides and connects with the dynamo. The dynamo uses the rotating power from the wheels to produce power, and that power is then given to the switch. Through the switch, it is given to the multimeter and the light.
Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Goyal. Today I am going to show you how our project works. As soon as we supply our power, which is an AC power, then it is stepped down and converted into DC. That DC current is supplied to the motor, which rotates the axle through a spigot and chain system. As soon as we apply pressure on the brakes, the electromagnetic clutch engages, and through the dynamo, the RPM is regenerated and multiplied, which causes the light to glow. There are two options for readings. There is a micrometer which gives a 12 to 15 watt power, and there is a light which shows the power generation.